Hey, what's up guys, this is the Orange Hustler and welcome back to another review video. In this review video I will talk about the Spin4cash. So I will show you what is the Spin4cash product. I will show you the sales page, the live demo, the pros and cons, my honest review, the price and everything you need to know about this product. Without any further, let's get started. So the Spin4cash is a cloud-based app that enables you to make $65 commissions over and over again by just clicking on Spin Now button. And this is a great method to make money online. A lot of people try it and a lot of people get some results. Also, more than 98% of the beta testers provide it within 24 hours. It's completely a done-for-you solution that provides you the easiest opportunity to make money online. You can't afford to avoid this system. World first ever and unique app. Every time we press spin on this new app using our phone or computer, we make $65 over and over again, literally just one click for us to profit. No hard selling or traffic search, simply spin to earn. And like you see guys, this is some features of the Spin4cash. Once Spin4cash is activated, we enjoy a string of permanent $65 payments over and over. 24 hours, 7 days a week profits. We're making money day and night with Spin4cash. Just print spin, pay us $65 every time. Spin4cash make us money non-stop 24 hours, 7 days a week. 29 beta testers made $31,000 with Spin4cash. 98% of the beta testers provided within 24 hours. We use other people content to earn wage. 100% legal and ethical. Zero experience required for you to make money online. No learning curve and easy 365-day refund policy will pay you $300 if you fail. And you can scroll the sales page guys and see more features and informations about this wonderful product. Like you see, there is 3 steps to use the Spin4cash. Step number 1 is activate. Turn on Spin4cash on your phone and computer. Step number 2, spin upload. Each time we spin and upload an article or a piece of content, we get paid $65. And number 3 is get paid. We can get paid via PayPal or directly to our bank account. So guys, now let's see the Spin4cash product from inside. When you log into your account, you will find a easy to use interface. I have everything you need to know. This is the generate article, click on it. So basically this is the AI article generator and spinner. Here create your title. After select a niche and enter a specific keywords. Any keywords you want, and here choose the target word account. I will choose 600 and click at generating. So guys, this is the articles you will find. You can click at download. You can view the article, even you can edit the article. Like you see, this is the article. You can click at view to see the generated article here. After you can click on spin articles for cash. This is the Spin4cash art scripted account. So basically you must create an account. And that's it guys. Now for the price, but before we see the price, I will show you guys 5 valuable bonuses you will get beside the Spin4cash today. The bonus number 1, do you have what it takes $2,000 per day live event. Bonus number 2, Spin4cash accelerator $1 million a year blueprint. Bonus number 3, recurring 30-second free commissions. Bonus number 4, super license rights to 3 of our best most profitable offers. Bonus number 5, discount coupon. So basically guys, you will get these valuable bonuses beside the Spin4cash product. Now let's see the price of the Spin4cash. So basically you will get brand new Spin4cash income app, one-click content spin technology, Spin4cash mobile edition, mastermind community group, detailed step-by-step training, world-class support, and all the bonuses I already mentioned before. All this valued at $5,773. You will get today for just $19. One-time pay, no monthly fees, and you will get beside all this 30 days money back guarantee if you face a problem or you don't like the product. The link of the Spin4cash in the description below, and I will much appreciate it if you use it, because I will get a small commission, and beside you will get the valuable bonuses I already shown you before. Guys, I hope you get enough information through my Spin4cash review. Now it's up to you if you really want to start making money online commission daily by just spinning and uploading. I have been using the Spin4cash app for the last few days now, and I am highly impressed with this app. Like I said guys, the link in the description below. I will much appreciate it if you use it. Just like I said, I will get a small commission. Also, you will get the valuable bonuses. Take care guys. This is your friend the Orange Hustler was with you guys, and see you later.